Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2023 Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, turbocharged, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, tires front all season, LED headlights, tires rear all season, four-wheel disc brakes. Create lasting memories with your loved ones on unforgettable road trips.